CIO Whisper. Today, I'm walking you through 3 critical AI governance mistakes using Bravora's real story. Their $847,000 penalty, how they diagnosed it, and the 3-layer framework that turned it into $4.2 million in revenue. It started with a report that looked perfect. Q2 2024. Bravora Consulting delivered an 86-page AI compliance report to a major manufacturing client. Everything looked perfect, professional, confident. But on page 47, the AI cited Regulation 47b(3), a regulation that didn't exist. That same page showed an estimated exposure of over $18 million, data the system had generated entirely on its own. 3 weeks later, the client's audit team caught it. The penalty, $847,000. The AI itself didn't fail. The governance around it did. Junior analysts ran routine checks, verifying formats, section numbers, and citations. But none had the regulatory expertise to spot that Regulation 47b(3) was fictional. Automation accelerated the report, and oversight never stepped in. That same fabricated clause appeared in 3 client submissions. 2 escalated to regulators, triggering hours of rework. Direct loss, $847,000 in penalties, and $340,000 in rework, a total of $1.187 million. But the hidden cost ran deeper: reputation. The industry whispered about the AI firm that got it wrong. Bravora had a responsible AI framework on paper, but it wasn't operational. 3 key layers were missing: technical, domain, and executive. Each gap multiplied risk, until the hallucination exposed them all. Let's break down exactly where the system failed. The fastest, cleanest report became the riskiest. 98% AI confidence without source grounding equals 100% compliance liability. It wasn't the algorithm's fault, it was the missing audit layer beneath it. Policy required senior specialist sign-off. In practice, 73% of Q1 reports were approved by analysts with under 2 years' experience. The gap between policy and practice? That's where the $847,000 penalty lived. Executive oversight didn't exist. Partners were required to spot-check 20% of reports. 0 reviews conducted in 6 months, despite policy mandating monthly audits. The reason? AI outputs looked professional, so we trusted the process. Trust without verification became a $847,000 lesson. Within hours, internal alarms triggered, client calls, spreadsheets, escalations. Teams scrambled. Analysts rechecked every report. AI speed had turned into human chaos. The real cost? Every client now questioned every AI deliverable. Bravora faced a choice: let the mistake define them, or rebuild governance from scratch. Every missing layer became a lesson, every penalty a call to action. The next 90 days would change how AI and human oversight work together, forever. The events, organizations, and characters depicted in this case study are entirely fictional. They are presented for educational and illustrative purposes only. Any resemblance to real entities or incidents is purely coincidental. Every system fails for a reason. But here, the failure had a face, a pattern, and a hidden warning. 3 days after submission, the first anomaly appeared. Client ledgers showed just 0.6% off, too small for panic, too precise to ignore. Inside Bravora, audit teams started digging through lines of code and transaction logs, searching for the pattern the AI couldn't see. They traced the pipeline from data entry to client report generation. But between them? A silent middleware script, skipping 73% of compliance checks, invisible to every dashboard. No alerts. No red flags. Just flawless confidence on screen and flawed logic underneath. The AI rated its own output at 98% confidence. But confidence without verification? That's AI hallucination at scale. One decimal point off, multiplied across hundreds of client ledgers, became the $847,000 nightmare. Bravora's governance map should have caught it, 3 independent checkpoints, each verifying the other. But what should have been 3 independent checkpoints had collapsed into blind trust. The structure looked solid on paper until the paper met reality. One internal email summed it up: the model approved it, we just executed. Broken governance, not bad intent. It was the moment they realized humans had outsourced judgment to algorithms without knowing it. The forensic team redrew the workflow on a whiteboard, layer by layer. Every rule, every approval, every handoff mapped back to a human name. No model should sign off on its own confidence again. Ever. Restoring the 3-layer governance was one thing. The question wasn't if they'd survive, it was whether they could rebuild trust before the next client walked. The fallout forced Bravora to face an uncomfortable truth: their governance looked perfect on paper, but paper doesn't govern reality. So they made a $180,000 investment. Rebuild the validation system before resuming any AI-generated client deliverables. Days 1 to 30, a forensic sweep began. Every AI-generated report from Q1 and Q2 was re-audited line by line. 17 additional unverified citations surfaced, all missed by the old 3-layer gap. Days 31 to 60, design mode. The team rebuilt a 3-layer validation framework. Layer 1, automated source grounding against verified regulatory databases. Layer 2, domain specialist review with mandatory citation checks. Layer 3, partner-level sign-off on all client deliverables. Days 61 to 90, mandatory analyst training. Every team member completed 12 hours of regulatory verification workshops. Governance wasn't just a protocol anymore, it became embedded in every workflow. The rebuild cost $180,000, but the risk avoided was over $2.3 million in potential penalties and rework. Governance didn't slow AI, it made it sustainable. In 90 days, Bravora rebuilt their governance foundation. The system was operational again. But the real test wasn't internal compliance, it was whether clients would trust them again. Six months after the rebuild, Bravora's AI reports were no longer just outputs, they carried the mark of human verification. Clients noticed the difference: every deliverable now included a validation audit trail showing exactly how compliance was verified. 3 new enterprise clients signed on, choosing Bravora over competitors specifically because of their human-verified AI governance model. The rebuild didn't just prevent penalties, it became a market differentiator. Within 6 months, revenue from governance-verified AI projects reached $4.2 million, a 23x return on the $180,000 rebuild investment. Project delivery accelerated by 23% while maintaining 0 compliance errors. Client-reported errors fell by 78%, the lowest error rate in Bravora's 12-year history. Governance didn't slow AI, it made it audit-proof. Automated grounding, domain review, and executive sign-off, all 3 layers now operated in every workflow. The gaps that caused the $847,000 loss were finally closed. The $847,000 penalty became a case study in resilience. Not because the AI was fixed, but because the system, the people, and the process were rebuilt stronger. Bravora's 3-layer model wasn't just their solution, it became a blueprint others could follow. The $847,000 loss wasn't caused by bad AI, it happened because governance disappeared in plain sight. Automation ran faster than accountability. AI doesn't replace expertise, it requires it. When domain specialists stopped reviewing AI citations, precision turned into exposure. The future of AI isn't autonomous. It's auditable. For CIOs, the mandate is clear: build governance as code. Automated source verification. Mandatory domain review. Executive accountability. All three layers, embedded in every AI workflow. Because resilience isn't built in crisis, it's coded in design. Bravora's loss became every leader's lesson. AI can accelerate decisions. Governance ensures they're right. And as AI capabilities expand, the organizations that master this balance will define the next decade of enterprise innovation. When we began this film, we planned 6 scenes. The 6th would explore broader industry implications. But as the story unfolded, one truth became clear. Even storytelling needs governance. Scene 5 already completed the arc. Crisis, recovery, and universal principles. Adding more would have diluted the very lesson we were teaching. So we stopped. Intentionally. Because good governance isn't just an enterprise value. It's a creative discipline too. This channel doesn't chase trends or rely on talking head commentary. It produces faceless, CIO-grade case studies, each one built through multiple iterations, with research, storyline testing, and careful visual pairing. The goal isn't to provide cookie-cutter answers, but to spark recognition at the boardroom level. CIOs and enterprise leaders return here for clarity, depth, and impact, not surface-level noise. That's why CIO Whisper exists. This is CIO Whisper. The future's moving fast. Subscribe for future-proof insights, or get left behind. CIO Whisper.